Shrub Oak has not had a fire drill in so long, it's been like 6 months. I need somebody to ring it. Little girl, what's your name?
Suzy Petion. Why?
Because I need somebody to ring the fire drill cause we have not done it in 6 months.
I can
David,
do that, Mr. Shrub
let's go
Oak
to your
maintenance
residential
worker.
floor and get ready for
I'll
dinner.
volunteer.
David, your staff is here. She is calling you to go upstairs to go down to dinner with your peers.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mom. Hello there.
Okay, Suzy Petion, come with me. I'll show you how to do it.
David, let's go upstairs and get ready for dinner. Your mom, dad, and sister has to drive home. We can go have pizza while they return to Massachusetts. They have at least 3.5 hours ahead of them.
Bye, David. We will see you very soon. Hopefully you are better and well behaved.
Honey, go say bye to your brother. Okay, sweetie.
Bye, David. You got this.
Bye, Aaron. See you soon.
Aw, that's sweet. Anyway, let's head out and drive home. We might be hungry and stop at a nice restaurant, but that's okay.
Excuse me, but why is the fire alarm going off?
I have no idea, Shrub Oak weekend staff.
I see the kids and their staff walking outside. Somebody must had to ring it just because.
Everybody come outside with me.
I see my peer IE's Kalishte, Dad.
Ah, stop it, David. Let's just go outside.
Good job helping me ring the Shrub Oak fire drill, Suzy Petion. Give me a high five. You know what, SP, you were the one who rang the fire alarm. I lifted you up and you pushed the right button and saved staff and students' lives here. I'm so proud of you. We had not had a safety fire drill in 6 months.
Thank you so much, Shrub Oak maintenance man.
Anytime, Suzy Petion.
Why did the fire alarm go off?
David, you know they have to do fire drills a couple of times a year. Stop quizzing me right now. I'm your father. Have some respect.
Daddy. IE's is outside, I can see her.
Can you leave IE's alone? She is trying to follow the schedule of the Shrub Oak fire drills. You stop your crap.
Dad.
I don't want to hear that now, shush.
Who pulled the fire alarm? Anyone?
I think it was Suzy Petion who actually rung it. I saw a maintenance worker lift her up and push the button.
Okay, students. Suzy's fire drills is over. Children, let's go head to the cafeteria.
Wait. Why is Suzy Petion with a Shrub Oak maintenance employee?
Well, Mr. Kearney, David's father. Shrub Oak International School has not done a safety fire drill in 6 months. Suzy Petion did a great job helping me run it. I lifted her up and she pushed the button and the fire alarms went off. I can give her $20.
Oh shoot. It's getting late. I'm hungry and want to find a restaurant. We better leave now before traffic, avoid restaurant crowds, and go home at least 9 p.m. the very latest.
All right. Come on, Suzy Petion, Mommy is hungry. Enough with the Suzy's fire drills, and let's look forward going to the restaurant for supper.
Gee, man. I was just volunteering.
Come on, everybody. Let's go find a restaurant. My wife Tricia is getting hungry.